Whooping cough can be a serious infection, especially for young babies. Your doctor or nurse may call it pertussis rather than whooping cough, but it means the same thing. Whooping cough can spread easy at events or gatherings, so you should not travel or attend if you are unwell. If you are pregnant, it is very important to have the whooping cough jab. This helps protect your baby after they are born before they are old enough to have their routine jabs. Please check you and your family are up to date with your jabs needles. Protecting yourself helps stop bringing whooping cough back to your family and community and helps protect people from becoming seriously unwell. If you are unsure if you or your children have had all the vaccinations you need, call or arrange to speak to your doctor or health visitor. If you do not have a GP, please call or go online to NHS 111. Friends, family and travellers can also help if you are having trouble accessing a GP. Call 01 273 234 777. You can also contact Roma Support Group on 07 366 502 575. You can learn how to join a doctor's surgery on the NHS website.